In this video, I'll show you how to watch Peacock on Meta Quest VR. Step 1. Check device and location eligibility. Peacock is available on Meta Quest 2 and Meta Quest Pro in the US and some select territories. Step 2. Redeem the promo code for the free trial if eligible. Check your email for a unique promo code from Meta Quest. Use the link provided to redeem your Peacock premium trial. Step 3. Download Peacock app from Meta Quest Store. In your Meta Quest headset, open the Meta Quest Store, then search for Peacock and install the app. Step 4. Sign in or create a Peacock account. Open the Peacock app, then sign in with your existing account or create a new account if needed. Step 5. Start streaming in VR. Browse available content and enjoy a personalized virtual big screen experience with adjustable screen size. Now I have some tips for the best viewing experience. Use a reliable Wi-Fi connection for smooth streaming. I advise an Ethernet cable. Take advantage of interactive VR features and multi-screen viewing. Subscription fees apply after any trial period ends. And that's how you enjoy Peacock with your Meta Quest VR headset. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.